Miaka 14 kuma Wiper yatwika Wiper Democratic Movement chama kini cha siulengi na kwikwatia isito imbia vala yukiketa wa Wiper Patriotic Front ilani WPF waliokuwa la mutongoi wa chama ki cha WPF Stephen na Kalonzo wa Musyoka walulumilia hii lasima mekiketa nzie imwe ya kuona nyasevali ya umwe na mamilioni maenenthi alakuma mwaka wa 2023 methitwa maisukumisia kwa viti munene mawaliokuma kiuteti na sula ya utongoi wa nthi kwera na Kalonzo ni kana WPF ni nyomba nene OU ina mwanya wa kila mwenenthi nginya amwika majenzi na ala wawetani manene kwa wasia mulumu yulu wa utongoi ula amekwenda na kuona ni uthatuo kwa usumbi wa OU wa President William Ruto. Benjamin Mwaka na Mauvo.
Chama cha Wiper yune cha vindwe sito kuma Wiper Democratic Movement na kutrika Wiper Patriotic Front ndino wachathikila chaendea maofisini mamwandikiria munene wa siama mutongo wa chama ki Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka nolumililia vina vata munene wa Wiper kwesiulia imbia no kana kuendanya na musukumo utongo imweo ulaine the methito maisukumisia ula waambiye na azimio mwaka wa 2023 na wasilelo ni amwika majenzi mwaka wa 2024 na mwaka
We realize that you can be democratic forever and the country goes to the dogs. What happened in 2024 and I want to say in 2023 when some of us were in the streets eating tear gas, we knew the spirit in the country was changing. Kenyans were becoming impatient with the use of the word democracy when in fact you don't do anything to safeguard your democratic values. And so when the Gen Zs took the streets in 2024 opposing oppressive taxation, we also realized as a movement we have to be responsive to the new spirit, the Gen Z spirit.
Kalonzo nole mwamba na utongo iwayo luwa chama cha Wiper kaloni kinu walumililia kini cho chama cha mwika na miomo yonde ni mivingwe kwa mwika majenzi kuyikoja na maundu utongo na utetu kuisila Wiper ya iweta Wiper hivito mustali nwambe kuungamana uwo aki unduma na wasi wa mwika hivindani silikali viende kumavindi vya kuisila maomesi na iku vamwena ainge kwa moko ni malame isilio kuidwa movisa mavolisi.
This is the party of the future, the party of the youth. This is why we even have front, taking into account the spirit, the patriotic spirit of the Gen Zs. We are certainly not a static movement, and therefore we've decided to take on a more aggressive approach to safeguarding our nationhood, even to safeguarding the democracy as it is. But you need the new oomph and the strength and the push.
Kalonzo ingi no watumia kusodhi kuumania muvango wa serikali wa kukilia maito mama boga vumwena andu maboda boda iseso ileva tisi tueta empowerment aiweta dhini iseso itena utethio kwa nthino na dhina kielelo kinene cha kuendea kumanenga enenthi vaki no kana kuvwika wasya wo ukonya mauvaluku ma serikali no.
Sometimes it's very, very sad that instead of doing the right things, Kenya Kwanza are busy bribing en masse, massive bribery.
Indono uyovo Kalonzo noendea kulumililia muungamo wake kana serikali viende kunaija sukali wina sumu kwa enenthi aiwete na ukuzi wa kuyana yulwa umo na undu sukali wa vikie wa Kenya na kulika matukane.
Kenya Bureau of Standards, even them will be subject to scrutiny. It is standard, deny everything, but we have very solid information kutoka kwenyewe from the port of origin to where we are, even the offloading taking place, we have been following.
Vilingu wa mauvo kumava musini lovi nyenito wa Benjamin Mwaka.